T. Varshitha. I am studying BSc Agriculture first year in Kadri Baburao College, Agriculture College. Today I am going to discuss about taxonomy and nomenclature of fungi. Generally, the word taxonomy was given by A.P.D. Connolly in the year of 1835. Let's start with the basic introduction about classification, nomenclature, taxonomy, etc. What is classification? Classification means it is the arrangement of different units, organisms such as bacteria, protozoa, fungi into taxonomic groups. Why classification is required? Why we need to study classification means for easy understanding or for easy studying of organisms. Next, taxonomy. Taxonomy means it is the biological science which deals with the study of classification and naming of organisms. Nomenclature. It is simply naming. We give names to different organisms for easy identification of given organisms. Okay. What is taxonomy? Why we need to study taxonomy means to provide identification and to provide a method of identification and communication about the organisms, and to provide a classification that express natural relationship about the organisms among the individuals, and to detect the evolution of given organisms. Now we are going to know about the history of fungal classification. The scientist called Carolus Linnaeus, who is considered generally father of taxonomy, he is the one who gave the ideology of fungal classification. After that, the history of fungal classification system dated back started exactly at the 18th century until the first third of the 19th century. During this period, various contributions are happened. Here, person in the year of 1784, 1801, 1822, 1828, he did some contributions, followed by Nisvan Essenbeck, Price, Link, gave classifications based on the external characters, morphology of fruiting bodies, characters of hymenopore, and the place and mode of spore formation. Now we are going to see about some systems of classification. Here we can see two kingdom classification was given by Linnaeus in the year of 1753, and three kingdom classification was given by Ernest Haeckel in the year of 1866, and four kingdom classification was given by O. Planck in the year of 1956, and five kingdom classification was given by Whittaker in the year of 1969, and six kingdom classification was given by Carl Rossi in the year of 1977. Okay, let's discuss about the rules of writing scientific names. Here first one is binomial system. It indicates two names. One is genus name and another one is species name. Here genus and species name have no fixed endings. Example, we can see Fuchsinia graminis. In this, Fuchsinia is a genus name and graminis is a species name. And next one, trinomial nomenclature. In this, we just add third name to the binomial to provide further information about the organisms such as former species, race, PATH171. Here example, we can take Fuchsinia graminis, former species Ricci. One more rule is author name. We place the name of the taxonomist at the end of the binomial. Example, we can see Fusarium oxysporum, former species, Vasinfectum. G.F. Atkinson. Here, Atkinson is provided with a shortcut name or abbreviation like ATK and followed by W.C. Cinder and H.M. Hansen. Okay, let's see what are the important guidelines about the writing scientific names. According to ICVL, the name of organism should be in two parts. It means one is genus name and another one is species name. Okay, binomials are usually derived from Greek or Latin word, and we should capitalize the first letter of the genus name, and while rest including species should be in small letter. Example, we can take Puccinia graminis. In this we can see Puccinia starts with capital T and graminis starts with small g. We should leave single digit space between genus name and as well as species name. In the case where author name is included, we should give standard abbreviations to the author name. Example, Anton de Barry and Atkinson ATK. We just provide shortcuts to the author name. And binomials in the case of handwritten, it should be underlined. It means genus and species name should be underlined individually. And in the case of printed manner, it should be in italics. Here the taxa, it is a group which is hierarchically classified or kingdom, division, class, order, family, genus and species. And each category may be subdivided into subgroups like division into subdivision, class into subclass, order into suborder. Here is the 7 level of hierarchical classification. It starts with kingdom, followed by phylum, followed by class, order, family, genus and species. Okay. According to ICBN, here ICBN stands for International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. For algae, fungi, plants having some suffixes, it means some fixed endings. Here you can see phylum ends with Mycota, subphylum ends with Mycotina, class ends with Mycetes, subclass ends with Mycetidae, order ends with Ale, family ends with Acaceae. We can take any fungi. These are the fixed endings for any classification of fungi. Here we can see the example of wheat stem rust. Here phylum ends with Basidiomycotina. Here we can see Mycota. Phylum ends with Mycota. Subphylum Basidiomycota. See, Mycota subphylum ends with Mycotina. In this class, Puccineomycetes. Subclass Puccineomycetidae. Order Puccineae. Family Puccineaceae. Now I am going to discuss about the probability questions which are expected in our exams. Who is the father of taxonomy? Carolus Linnaeus. And grouping of organisms into classes, orders, family, genera, species, etc. is called classification. Biological science, which deals with the study of naming and classification, is called taxonomy. Which scientist gave 2-kingdom classification? Carolus Linnaeus. Which scientist gave 3-kingdom classification? Ernest Haeckel. 4-kingdom classification was given by Herbert Copeland. 5-kingdom classification was given by Whittaker. 6-kingdom classification was given by Cornbucci. And standard abbreviations are used for author name. And binomials, when handwritten, they should be underlined. And binomials, when in printed manner, they should be in italics. And binomials are usually derived from Greek or Latin word. First letter of genus name should be in capital. It should be capitalized. First letter of species name should be in small letter. And in wheat stem rust, scientific name is which one? Puccinia graminis. Here we can see genus always starts with capital P and species always start with small g. And giving names to organisms is called nomenclature. And here ICBN stands for International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. And here you can see phylum ends with Mycota, subphylum ends with Mycotina, class ends with Mycetes, subclass ends with Mycetidae. And in wheat stem rust, the family ends with Puccineaceae, not Basidiaceae. And in wheat stem rust, subclass ends with Puccineomycetidae. And in wheat stem rust, class ends with Puccineomycetes. And in wheat stem rust, order ends with Puccineans. Thank you.